Are you gonna watch me?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, they're shooting. Ah, did it again. You're putting like a 1-inch group together on top of each other. Does he care if we shoot headshots? I wonder, because I'd like to see it. I'm gonna wait.
It's not about your accuracy. It's
Can we shoot at the head?
So what?
Can we shoot at the head?
You want feedback of where the bullets are going, right? That's
Yeah.
why you want to shoot the head? In the sights. I do sensory deprivation. We're about to put steel up. We're the unpainted bits of hits. You want to know where you're shooting the target? Inside the sights, outward sights.
your recoil control's really good. Can you tell what the sight's doing?
Yep.
What's the sight doing?
Slightly up and left.
Slightly up.
I mean, barely up and left. Like maybe just barely out of the notch. I'm shooting the center of the target out, so my gun.
It's like slow exercise, not a marksmanship exercise.
Yeah.
It's connecting to the gun.
Yeah.
Seeing all the little stuff that he's got to tell you, and then this now diagnosing.
Yeah, trying to get the grip things taught us is probably the hardest. But, I mean, it's working. I can tell it's working, but just getting used to it.
Yeah, do some reps on it. Yeah.
What is your secret to making your gun shoot something? You have the best recoil I can I've ever seen. But
stay firm, shoulder stay firm. You come through there.
I don't get it, because my gun shoots fairly flat, but nothing like yours. Like,
it ain't a gun, it's just what you're doing.
Well,
It's where you're letting it go.
Yeah.
We'll do some other stuff here in a minute it'll have to go there.
Yeah. Time to load the magazine.
Alright, so present the gun. Oh, let's do this too. There's shooting. It doesn't have to be a lot of delay after the gun stops, right? Y'all did this exercise earlier. Where you move fingers to triggers with sights landing on targets, yeah? You see the gun coming. Your hands are going to stop the gun right where they need to be, right in front of your dominant eye in the middle of that target. If that's what you're looking at, yeah? If you're looking at good enough, why wait? You know, let's show you a single shot there, right? Why wait? I was looking at good enough for 3/4 of a second. As soon as it stops, right, and you can see it coming. Somewhere right around here, you can see sights. You can see through sights, but it ain't good enough to shoot. Now it's good enough to shoot. So we're shooting for 5. Evaluate our delay for ourselves and for our friends and just everything we're seeing, right? Is that a question? Yes, sir. I'll start with my finger pressing the frame of this pistol. When the sights stop, my finger's on the trigger. I didn't start that movement when the gun stopped. I started that movement when I saw the gun. So the finger started moving as the gun's moving, and they stopped together. Sights on target, finger on trigger. We save ourselves some time. And at that point, all the guns, everything that we got out here on this line, this one, the Glocks, those double action CZs, sights touch target, finger touches trigger, just roll straight through the trigger. Even your double action shot, especially those double action shots, it's no big deal. Just to roll straight through. Okay. That's what I'm at like now. Now, stage triggers too, slow it in the presentation. Enjoy, y'all.
No, one mag, Trevor.
shots are going on top of each other, which we only do two, right? We only do 2 mags. That's why you do a USPSA.